Hello guys, hopefully you guys are doing good. So guys, today I'm going to fix my roof leak, which is coming from back. There is an antenna on the roof and it's just leaking water from that side whenever it's rain. So I'm gonna put this seal on. It's called BLACKOUT TV silicone instant gasket. So this is what I'm gonna use. Let me show you the actual antenna. So this is where it's leak from the top. So whenever it's rain, from here, as you can see, there is a little bit gap. Even though this is like fully tight, as I remembered, but still water goes from here. So for that you have to actually remove the roof liner. Let me show you. Don't mind my trunk here, too much stuff here. But anyway, for that you have to actually remove this light from here, and you're gonna need those plastic clamp remover kit, which I had it recently here, but I gotta find it again. So probably gonna need something like a 10mm or 8mm screw that removes the antenna. So for the first thing you're gonna do is to remove this. So I'm not gonna remove the whole thing, just half of it, as that's what I need. So remove the side trim a little bit. As you can see, this was already been removed once, so that's why it's not that hard to remove. As you can see, I can remove the bottom one too, but it's gonna just make the job hard. I have to remove, actually you have to remove this to be able to get to that point, because this will not remove. Okay guys, so you need a screwdriver to remove these two screws to get this roof liner down, but I'm not going to remove the whole thing. Let me actually turn this off so it won't get damaged. So remove these two screws and then I'll pull it a little bit down. I don't need to remove the whole roof liner to get to the antenna. Alright guys, so remove this side. This side, of course, you have to put the seat down to create a little bit gap to remove it. And so disconnect this light, and here it is, the antenna screw right there. So I'm gonna use this to remove it, and then I'll create a gasket on top of the antenna and I'll show you how I did it. As you can see guys, this is how it looks. So definitely water was going from here. Actually I had a water test before. I'll actually lose the video. I had it, but I'll try to find it and put it in the video. So I'm gonna put the seal around here, and then I'll just close this down. So hopefully it works, because I already dropped some water here and it was a leak, and water was dropping and getting in and coming from right here where the light was. So definitely, as you can see, if the water comes in, it was following the wire and from here, so that's why it was there. So let me just put this camera on stand, and actually I can't rotate this. Or can I? I think I can. So I'm gonna put it here. So it's already installed. I'm pretty sure it's not the best job I did, but I'm gonna test the water leak after like 1 hour when it's get dry. According to how it's supposed to be used, I did not follow exact directions. I did not read it before, but it says you're not supposed to, when you do it, when you apply the seal, you're supposed to apply in like one direction, one line, without any gap. But I put multiple layers, so it should be fine. And also it says hand tighten the screws and leave it there for 1 hour and then tighten it again. But I already tightened it because I did not see the instruction, but to tell you guys so you guys don't do the same mistake I did. But anyway, after 1 hour I will show you the water test and hopefully it does not leak, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's been 1 hour. Now it's time to test out the seal. So let me unlock my car and see. Actually I have to open the trunk and show you guys if any water comes down. So I'm gonna pour water and you will see like this. As you can see, now if the water goes down like underneath here, that means it's still leaking. But let's see. Alright, so as you can see, it's completely dry, so that means the issue is solved, because before the water was immediately coming down from here, and after that seal apply, now it's completely fine. So if you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe my channel for future videos. If actually have to make another video, we'll fix in the future. As you can see right here, there was a somebody hit my car from the back, so I have to pull this out a little bit. I already had the equipment to pull this out, and yeah, so I'll make a video about it, how it's gonna work, because I bought those equipment from the Chinese website, which is Timo. So we'll see how it works, and yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.